Have you ever walked into an open house, smelled fresh paint, and instantly fell in love? Stop right there. You might be walking into a trap. In real estate, that fresh paint smell is often used to mask serious problems, not to fix them. I am not here to ruin your dream home. I am here to save your wallet from thousands of dollars in hidden repairs. Today, I am giving you a real estate detective's checklist. I will show you 5 red flags that inspectors often miss. And you need to watch until the very end, because red flag number 5 is a psychological trick that realtors use to fool your brain, and almost everyone falls for it. First up, let's talk about the bones of the house, the foundation. Ignore the hairline cracks. Those are normal. What you need to look for are step cracks on the exterior brick or the basement walls. If you see a crack that looks like a staircase going up the wall, or a crack that is wider at the top than the bottom, run. This means the house is literally sinking or shifting. Fixing a foundation can cost you more than a brand new car. If you see the staircase crack, turn around and walk away. Number 2, the plumbing torture test. Don't just turn on the sink and nod. That tells you nothing. Here is the pro move. Go to the bathroom, turn on the sink, turn on the shower, and then flush the toilet, all at the same time. Watch the water flow in the shower. Does it drop significantly? Does it turn into a sad trickle? If it does, you are looking at old, corroded pipes that might need a complete replacement. That is a massive expense hiding behind shiny new faucets. Number 3, look at the windows. I don't mean look through them, look at them. Do you see any condensation or fog trapped inside the glass pane? This implies the thermal seal is broken. A house full of blown windows means your heating and cooling bills will be sky high, and replacing windows is shockingly expensive. Clear glass means a clear wallet. Foggy glass means trouble. Number 4, the vampire rule. You loved the house at 11 a.m. on a Tuesday? Great, but you aren't living there only on Tuesday mornings. Come back at 9 p.m. on a Friday. Is that quiet street now a drag racing strip? Is there nowhere to park? Are the neighbors throwing a loud party? You can renovate a kitchen, but you cannot renovate a bad neighborhood. Always check the vibe at night. And now, the number 1 trick I warned you about in the beginning, the scented candle trap. If you walk into a house and every room has a plug-in air freshener, or smells strongly of baked cookies or vanilla candles, be extremely suspicious. Sellers don't do this just to be nice. They do it to hide the smell of mold, mildew, or pet urine. These smells are almost impossible to get rid of without ripping out carpets and drywall. So, if the house smells too good, trust your nose. Something is rotting underneath. Don't let a $5 candle cost you a $50,000 mold remediation bill. Buying a home is emotional, but you have to keep your eyes and your nose open. In the next video, I am going to expose the staging tricks designed to make tiny rooms look huge. You won't believe how simple they are. Hit subscribe so you don't get scammed. See you in the next one.